Bahrain. So pupunta kami sa technical meeting. So napaka-accommodating din ng mga Chinese. Ni hao. Ayun oh. Sipag niyan, mga nakikita ko masisipag sila. Indonesia, China. So walang pangalan. UAE, Korea, Thailand, Mongolia, Malaysia, Japan, Uzbekistan, Laos, Vietnam, Kazakhstan. Yan ang helicopter. Neutral, Iran, Taipei, Hong Kong, Neutral 2, Afghanistan, Macau, Kuwait, Qatar, Neutral 1, and then Philippines. Ano? So meron tayo, coach. So yung huli to, Bahrain. Ang kotse nila dito is Radar. Siguro made in China Radar. Ayan o. May bike rack. Check natin likod nung bike service natin. Ayan o, may bike rack o. Ang bike rack niya, tatak? Well pa. Yan o. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 yung kaya niyang dalhin, no? So, ang natin is Radar CDM3627. Yan ang team vehicle natin bukas. Sa October 5. So, today is October 2. Managers meeting kami. Attend kami ni Coach Reynard. So, maaga pa pala kami.
Tara, tayo sa tent muna natin.
Tara. Ayan, ongoing technical meeting. Ang nagsasalita si Race Director Jin Xian. So ayan na, merong ice available sa SPT office.
So organizer will also provide to each team the bike loaders, which will be available at the Momak area. I know bike loaders very important for the time trial. So we have a big tent.
Ayan, meron daw bike racks.
Big tent.